Heroes never die. Ndery is not dead. He is still alive.
Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.
Ndery tonya afata bare iko ku kendo comme afama ya fonyami ako abukafa and nyinam tonya.
When he died in November 2021, it was announced by the BBC, by the Voice of America, by Radio France International, by Deutsche Welle, and all the Gambian newspapers printed glowing tributes in his name, in his honor. And the president, Adam Barrow, sent his minister to me and his spokesman that he wanted to meet the expenses of the evacuation of his body from America to the village. But because of the nature of the disease, he died. Medical opinion didn't advise that the body be evacuated. Adam Barrow sent back his minister and gave us $100,000 as in support of the family, for which we are very grateful. And here we are again in this ceremony, where Fatu Network is recognizing the tremendous work and heroship of Ndery. And we are grateful to have received this award in the name of the family and the family of Baikunda and all journalists and all Gambians who have worked very hard and inspired Ndery to do the work he has done. Heroes never die. Ndery is not dead. He is still alive. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Assalamu alaikum, Jiberlal, Hanbidorong Kairandalla. Today I'm here with Ndery father, right? Ndery father, may Alonko Atelebanta, may his soul rest in peace. Today on the Fatu Network, he got one of the awards on the Heroes Award. I'm here with his father, and then Abu Kumala atafana FM from Mole Ofanangina, but a hero Mialonko Afata, but yet the father is alive. It means, or it says a lot that ko Atamamfa, but award for Lentinjang, Mialonko Abara Pisankang, even though Atamantarajang. So Ndery, first of all, ato miyalong kalben jibe kang abu kumala le pro ntolbe sa tribute yitandala ka love yitandala by praying for him. So on that note, Baba abu kumala le any mole nyo konta on the VM International TV. Say hi to everybody.
Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Wal be kontona men be yinkol jube kang. Ante to mo fafa Idrissa Mbaylete.
Okay.
Ndery Mbaye na dingolem. Nkoto male ya wulu. Anina barendingo aji dado nget. Dolu ta sambang sita saterin ne nyamina banko kan. Gambia jang makate alan division. Ndery Mbaye ntole ya wulu ntole ya kulu. Ntole ya wulu ntole ya kulu. Kabri badam ala karango manjam fafang. Badai hamo soto. Ay hamo soto.
Eko ala karango manjam fandu.
Karango manjam fa.
Ese fendem fomole ala karango la fanala ba.
Akaranta kaur school, Dankungu school abota jata kaur school. Patata secondary 4. Kola anata doko ke lobitan Gambia jang security guard.
Wow.
Ko watchman odo doko ke police security guard Royal Victoria Hospital Banjul jang. Kola nyi journalist dunta kono. Dede hadara nyolu Pape Sen, Babakar Gueye, wala ko ya dum bak radio to aning kanyi supervision men safe. Anata dum wodi ara fan alalla sorba be fintela kan woleto. Kabri ya jamela mantaya koleata aborta tata America. Bitu mentuta
na aborta kabo jambare mu janili solo mi alon ko ama plan fang pour ka ke janili solo ba ala na raka ni bo janili si ala kono manan na aborta
wotu mo aka meng safe man ta kundala koto ntol be silata e kanta ata fana muta wo kulale ntol ma yamare de atala hakilo le amuta pour kata wa atara fututa jang tele muso nyina fututa jang bilun ka bilan tata nga kata fo muso tata taraje ntol ko no ay da university ay karam fa ke PhD soto hani bare journalism ko le bala akata je fa wane taje dunya be ala ko kalamuta ka birin abanta fana dunya be la kumbo BBC yafo Voice of America yafo Radio France yafo Gambia nol be dawde yakumbo odum wodata ke ntol fanan kumbota bare ye nyafita e ka kuma nyima men ko ala koto Gambia nyi supanyolu be ala ya jamu ala doku nyima ay men ke banko ye President Barrow kabringa Ndery Panta ay Dr. Ibrahima Sankale ki ala spokesman ako alafta dapas min bije ka fure bonde America fon tol samban na sato ni moto a dapas ube ata deba kala e bari kurango me ya ta wo kanati wo be kole ala anata muro ala Minister of Information Ibrahima Silla ay woki aning Dr. Ibrahima Sankare ala spokesman aning protocol officer member la musudo member la officer to dala ci wuli keme awole nati ako abe sango kontona dala ci wuli keme awole nati ako abe sango kontona e abi fanam be bengo be mbato fatu network ka pandari mbayla doku nyima nyim banku kan ay wole long ka jura ka wole nyim bengo ci ay nyim fenko di wala la
mena nyim fonko di
nyim iko medalolem pour dinke Gambia dinkendolo ye doko menke banko kanjang ka wolong ka bunya ka yirwa ka jura wala mu nyim bangoti
sambi afending panderi mantara jang andon jikira to nim panderi ba alive no aten nan kan receive no bre different ya receive first of all biri ba receive ka mena nati la haklo kono
ko banku din ya wala mu ko bet fukendo bu kafa fukendo bu kafa panderi ababe baluri afama banta bara ababe baluri musobe America anala digol lumen afata wata lumala ala di musobe exam tala pour kala degree soto Allahu akbar bari abama kayiti tano akambita nimpa be baluri ning abela franga nying exam ta ay exam ta adwa pass yo ala domal bijang ala kotol bijang ala domal bijang baringol be bijang bintol be shewata bandel la kontol be shewata pour ka doya drom alama ala si la jango sona yalla ko yalla yeram yalla khara ko janna ci barke wal khur'an ko dun musur walati bari wuluta nyamina je nyamina mandin ko ning surwalu ning fulol bele be sini nyoka fula kango ni mandinga kon sura kan ka bele fo adu nyamina dingol be wala nya ita fana ma me tolo bm me jay nge konto nge jay la ñu idea beto ka nati jang ka ñing ka jake nge jay woto barka
han bi dorong atul me yalon kal ben jibe kan panderi tonya afata bare ko ku kendo comme afama ya fo nyami ako abuka fa andu ñinam toñati woto halmade ni ba duniya ka ku kendo ke anen ka ke la banko e ko ke o kumata bakale ñinam pander la awoti though he is not alive but inshallah alabe duladi la mi alon ko lampol wetara laje andum momo ikata kendoti dorong almali so arjan wala now in short ngana ning angalela pour modul fanan safa ha million ko e malon kabim fo first of all tell us how related are you to Panderi the journalist of the Gambia mi alon ko ay more represent internationally kam molla kul findindi mol million ko victim solam mol million ko ebe praying kalo banko e but at the end of the day ngaye aborta ay banko bula so we will love you to at least tell us a little bit about who is Panderi.
Yeah, Panderi lived for only 47 years.
Little bit louder.
Panderi lived for only 47 years. He was born to my brother, my elder brother, Cherno Mbai, and my cousin Ajidado Get in our small village of Sambang in the Nyaminas, here in the Gambia. He started school at Dankungu, but afterwards he couldn't grow.
Wow.
All his age mates were taller and bigger than him. So his father sent him to me, and after some medical consultations, we ended up at the MRC and found that he was iodine deficit. When that was taken care of, we sent him back to Kauru School, but he left school at secondary 4. Came back to Banjul and worked as a security guard at the Royal Victoria Hospital.
Wow.
But then he came into contact with journalists like Dede Hedera, Pap Sen, Babukar Gay, and many others who inspired him into journalism, and he never turned back. So after some time during the Jame regime, with the articles he was contributing, he feared that there might be problems for him. So we encouraged him to go to the United States. He was already married. Afterward, the wife joined him, and I advised him to go to university and go on to PhD. But he was fascinated by journalism, and that's the career he took, and he did very well. When he died in November 2021, it was announced by the BBC.
Now, let's come back a little bit. Do you know what really causes his death?
Well, I know, but we need not go into all that.
Yeah.
No, it was this COVID-19.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
So that was why we are not. Medical opinion was against the evacuation of the body to the Gambia.
Okay.
So he was buried in America.
He wasn't buried in the Gambia.
No, he was buried in America.
America.
But the family is there. The wife and the children are there.
Okay.
The day he died, the daughter was starting her degree exams. And the mother said, "You cannot go to do that." He said, "No, if my father was alive, he would have encouraged me to do this exam.
Exactly.
So in his name, I'm going to." And she did, and passed the exam, and she is now a graduate.
Okay.
University.
So, what is your current fate? Missing your son since he left, and you never saw him again. Though I know that you must be communicating with him when he was alive. So, how do you felt at this present moment? Not
we were in direct contact every week, every Sunday. We used to speak every Sunday, and he was very supportive to his family, especially the mother and the sisters who are here. Some are going to school, some have started work, and encouraged them. He built house for the mother, so he did very well. We are proud of him.
Okay.
We are proud of him.
So, are you missing him?
We miss him very much.
Wow.
We miss him very much, but we are glad that he died honorably, and he had a tremendous good career for the country. He has been hailed by everybody that he was a good son who helped in the dismantling of 22 years of dictatorship. Ndery was named after my father, and we are proud of him.
Okay.
Thank you.
So, what do you actually admire about him? At least I know there are a lot of things that he was doing, but what do you really admire?
His courage, his commitment, his conviction, his steadfastness, and his honesty.
Wow.
That is the admiration I have for him.
So, are you missing all?
But I'm not surprised. He's Mbai. He comes from the Mbai family.
So finally, people of VM International TV are watching you. This interview shouldn't have been long, but right now everybody is watching you, and now this is the time for every Gambian and of course every journalist in the world to congratulate a hero that is called Ndery. He came out with this award called Heroes Award, organized by Fatou Kamara. For the network, and we are so proud of Fatou Kamara for the good work that she is doing. She's a woman trying to empower everybody. So right now, what is going to be your final message to the people that are watching you live on VM International TV?
That we must continue to work hard for the love of country. We should dedicate our lives to work for the good of the country. That is my message. That is what Fatou is celebrating. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And finally, what's your name again?
My name is Fafa Idris Mbai.
All right, he's our dad anyway, and of course a grandpa to me, but to some of you watching this, he might be your father, but also might be your grandfather. So I would like to say,
I'm a lawyer by training, but I've retired from legal practice. But I was Attorney General Minister of Justice in 1982 during Jawara's time, and again at the early stages of Jammeh's time.
I'm not surprised because your English has said it well. So once again, thank you so much. I really appreciate.
How can we get a copy of this?
Of course, you're gonna get it online, inshallah.
Online.
Yes, online.
Okay, thank you. And your name?
I'm VM Trawale.
VM Trawale.
Yes, I'm VM.
What Trawale family?
Yeah, me a Trawale family.
Which Trawale? I used to know one time who was with the agriculture.
No, Trawale from Brikama.
Brikama.
Yeah, born and brought up in Brikama.
Very good.
And never traveled before. Yes.
You're doing very well. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Yes, my beautiful audience, we would love to use this medium to thank his father for joining us. Again, we will also love you to keep on praying for Ndery and the rest of the people that die. We all know that this world is not meant forever, but what is most important is try to be someone who is good and be someone royal to yourself and to your community, to your nation, and across the world. On that note, we really appreciate our grandpa here, our father, and then the hero's father. So thank you so much for joining us once again. One love, bye-bye.
International, yeah. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and
VM so mbali fe kanolela VM so mbali fe udalolela VM so alnana njani mbisala wala kano fangole duntana nyiyenji so tumbu VM so mbali fe kanolela muna VM mbe fe udalolela apachaki ala folode wobite on ndingo nying VM so wato tijede alal bulu kondi ngodi kijal ka follow wo wuleri ndingo nying al wodi kidal ka follow de VM so nyancho bije D Jobs bije VM bije dimbar